Hello, everyone. Today is February 7th. We're going to be talking about a storm that's upcoming around Thursday. So, anyways, this is the warnings and watches and advisory map from the National Weather Service. So, you can see there's a couple different colors on here. Nothing to be too worried about. Looks like we have some winter stuff down here. And what is this? Uh-oh. New Mexico? Yeah, right? I don't know. I think it's New Mexico. We have a winter weather advisory up here, by the way. It looks a winter storm warning right there. Some winter weather advisories, a little winter storm warning. You can see a little sliver of pink. Um, high wind advisory, high wind warning. One of these two is a high wind advisory and a high wind warning. Is this a flood? Okay. Freezing fog, possibly? That's what this could be right here. Pretty sure that's a dense fog advisory. Oops, didn't mean to right click there. And then we have a couple winter weather advisories over here, one in Michigan, or there's multiple counties under it in Michigan, and then over here, and what looks to be Vermont, New Hampshire, and maybe, no, just Vermont and New Hampshire by the way it looks. So let's just click on my area. Whoa. Convective Chronicles. I don't know if that's how you say his name, but he uploaded a video on the derecho and 2020 derecho. I might watch that. Ooh, and Victory Outdoor Services uploaded video. Let's go. So there's no advisories really for this area besides this hazardous weather outlook, and if you click on it, you can read it. Oops, didn't mean to do that. But this is a thing that I'm watching, if you want to call it the thing. If it loads. But this is percentages. This is not the exact amount. So here they're saying the potential for 2+ inches of snow. So this yellow area right here, you can see goes from like 29% to 40% to 39% to 44. This orange goes from about 50 to 60, 65. And then the red is like 70 plus. Oh yeah, it says right here. I'm dumb. So the yellow is a slight, that's at least 10%. Moderate is this orange color, that's at least 40%. And then this red right here is a high, and that's at least 70%. And then for the potential for 4+ inches of snow, you have a slight right here, and you have a moderate right here. So far, I like how in the valleys you can see where the Wisconsin River Valley is in here, because there's an area in between these two oranges where it's yellow. And yeah, that goes all the way up through. That's awesome. I've never noticed that before. So in the higher terrain up here, on the tops of the hills are supposed to get more snow than the valley, which is usually what happens. And then there's gonna be a mid I shouldn't say there's gonna be a mid. Tomorrow it's gonna be pretty warm before the storm hits. Right? Today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, and then Thursday. So they're saying up to 43. From my area, it's supposed to get up to 47. And then the cold front's gonna come through, and we're gonna get a big ol' snowstorm, hopefully. Just depends. It all depends on how much rain we get at first, how long the rain lasts for, and how long it snows. It's going to be a heavy, wet snow too, most likely. Um, so I think we're done talking about this. I think. Oh, they're saying it's supposed to be a little windy too Thursday night. Keep an eye on that. So mm, we have a marginal risk today. We have a slight risk tomorrow, which I have not been paying attention to the severe weather aspect of this system. And then we have a marginal risk on Thursday. So the marginal risk right now is in Texas. The one tomorrow on Wednesday is looks like Louisiana, Arkansas. Oh, it's loading. Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi. That's that slight risk area. Then we have a marginal risk going all the way up into Indiana and Illinois. Excuse me. And then it goes all the way down into Texas and Alabama. Did I say it? I meant to say that this is Mississippi right here. If I said Alabama, I'm sorry. And then we have a day 3 marginal risk, and probably the Florida Panhandle, southern Mississippi, southern Georgia. Or no, this is Alabama. Wow, I'm losing it today, guys. I called this Mississippi. Wow. Um, look at this. So you'd see the keys down here. You can pause it and look at it if you want. Gosh darn. Um, that's what tomorrow looks like. You have the chance of flash flooding up here, or heavy rain, and then you have a chance for severe storms down here. These pockets right here are chances for freezing rain. The white's the snow, the blue's a wintry mix, green's rain. You can see for Thursday, this is not really showing snow, it's showing more of a mixed precip throughout this area where there's supposed to be snow, and I'll show you why in a minute. Freezing rain over here, possible for some rain through here. Rain and thunderstorms possible throughout the south. Some snow back in here and back in here near the Four Corners, just east of it a little ways. Well, I should just say the Texas Panhandle and the Oklahoma Panhandle. That'd have made more sense. So the keys down here, if you want to look, you can pause it here, look at what it says right now. But actually, if I do this just right, yep, you can see almost all the key. So this is Wednesday, 12Z, so about 6 a.m. Just whatever it says up here takes 6 hours off of it. So this is this is Wednesday at around 6 p.m. You can see it's already raining in my area. It's already raining in southern Wisconsin. And it's raining in central to southwestern southeastern to eastern Iowa. Well, I guess it is raining down there in southwestern Iowa too. And then you can see this heavy area of snow throughout eastern Iowa all the way up towards Green Bay. I don't know if my friend watches my YouTube video that lives in Green Bay, but I'd keep an eye on that. Same with Platteville. Milwaukee, I'd keep an eye on it too. You might get some mixed precip. Mixed precip is not fun to drive in. Snow is not really fun to drive in either, but I'd rather drive in some snow than mixed precip. I'd probably not drive in either of them though, unless the roads are plowed. And then Minneapolis, you might see some snow with this like wraparound band. It's supposed to come up. It's not supposed to come up behind it. It's supposed to just move east towards it. And you'll see that when I show the other model, which we're gonna look at right now. It's just updating, which is awesome. Oh, you just saw it, darn it. I keep it top secret. Get out of here, ad. We don't need ads. Alright, so this is Wednesday. This is Tuesday night. This is tonight. So you can see some rain down here in Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. And then you got snow up here in Canada, snow right here in the western US. California, nothing really going on there. But you can see the system is starting to move north and a little east. Well, not, it's more northeast, not a little east. But you can see about around 9 p.m. it's getting to central Iowa and it's producing snow over in southwestern Iowa, and it's raining in southeastern Iowa and southern Iowa. But now, earlier it was saying that it would rain for a little bit and then snow. Now it's saying it's going to snow right away. And you can see that really heavy snow here. The isobars are pretty compact too, so it's probably going to be windy. You can see here the isobars really windy. There's that. I called it wraparound snow band. It's more of just like a little snow band coming towards the low front. I don't really like showing the amount of snow that could fall, but I think I will this time. Don't take it seriously, take it with a grain of salt. It's still 2 days out. First, we're going to look at the NAM though, see what the NAM says. We're going to zoom in on the Midwest. Sorry, other people in the world that are hopefully watching this video. I don't really care who watches my video. I just put it out there for a couple friends, and whoever else wants to watch it, they can. I don't mind. So you see that 546 line moving north, and you can see that that storm almost wants to ride it. And here it's just showing heavy snow right away. So this could be rain, this could be snow. We won't know until Thursday. This is about 3 a.m. Thursday morning. And that almost becomes a little stationary for a second. So we will look at the snowfall totals. I will look at the one that usually is about accurate. Sometimes it underdoes it. Um, Take it with a grain of salt, though. It usually won't be right until a couple hours beforehand. So it'd be cool if Prairie du Chien got 11 inches of snow. I'm just gonna say it. That would be pretty cool. I would enjoy myself because that means I probably wouldn't have to drive to work because my car cannot get through the snow. Even though I live in the Midwest where we get snow, my car cannot handle the snow. So that's kind of cool. But take it with a grain of salt. This is one model run. The last one could have said 4 inches. I don't want to show the last one because, you know what? We'll show the last one. See what it says for the snowfall total. But this storm has been going over around the same area for the last day or so, maybe a couple of days. Oh, yeah. See, it's downgrading already. So that's a good sign because it's trying to figure out where the best chances for heavy snow are. But yeah, if we got the snow, I don't think I would go to work at all. But but yeah. Oh, I didn't show the euro. See, this one's looking about right. 8 inches of snow, 9 inches over in what is this, Fayette County, Iowa? Fayette. Is this Fayette or is this Fayette? One of these is Fayette. I know this one's Alma Key and this one's Clayton, but I don't remember what this one is. Or maybe it's Dodge. Or is this Dodge? I don't know. I can't remember. I like how there's a pocket of just really lighter snow in here. It goes from 4 inches to 7. Now that most likely will happen. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong. Let's look at the euro real quick before I end the video. We only have the CRZ. Let's look at the how it says it's going to happen instead of just looking at the snowfall total. Holy cow, that's an hour-long video by Convective Chronicles. Ooh, so this is showing that my area would be on the wintry mix / rain line, and then into the snow, and some snow afterwards. Is Minneapolis gonna get hit? Because I have to tell my friend up there. I would say she has a chance of flurries. Green Bay is gonna get hammered though, by the way it looks. If this does come to, from there, I'd keep on the eye on the weather if you live in central, southern, western Wisconsin, and in Iowa and this area right here. I just keep an eye on the weather. Actually, it'd be more like over this way, and in Minnesota. So I wish I had my easy pen, but I'd say this area right here that I'm gonna circle. Oops. Go down through here like that, not like that. Better. I'd keep an eye on the weather for Thursday, because this thing looks nasty. I saw it last. It's been running the same area. It's been going over the same area. And I saw it last week one time. I was like, yeah, right, this isn't gonna happen. But it looks like it might. Oh, we should also. Let's go to the NAM. Let's look at the winds. Oh, wrong one. I want to go to this one. Winds. Wind bars. Dew point and wind bars. I think I can read wind bars now. I think. I don't know what K is. Oh, that's not the one I wanted. Oh, I guess I'll take this one. But it looks like it's gonna be pretty windy that day. Thursday all day. Yeah, you can see right there. This wind here, 15 knots. Or here, and down here it's gonna be pretty strong, 20 to 25. So yeah, that looks like it's gonna be at the end of the video. I should hopefully have it out within an hour or so. Depends on how my internet wants to be. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I'd keep an eye on Thursday. Check Wednesday night. You're checking on your local National Weather Service. So just go to here, type in NWS, and then whatever the closest National Weather Service is. And if you don't know, you just hit enter, click this one, National Weather Service. This map comes up. You click whatever county you're from. So I'm from Crawford County, so I just click that, and it just basically teleport me to the National Weather Service La Crosse page. And then any warnings or advisories or watches will be on here. Yeah, I'd keep an eye on that storm, see if you're any advisories or warnings or watches. This will probably impact travel, most likely. Stay weather aware and just stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. Don't go out if you don't have to. If we get 8 inches of snow, like they're saying, but it will downgrade. It will most likely downgrade as we come up on the days. So yeah, have a good one, guys. Bye.